When you woke up this morning, did you plan to do anything different with your life? Or are you just gonna do the same old thing that you do every other day? I know you have something to change with your life. Everybody has something that they would like to do differently. Everybody has regrets. It's a human condition. But how are you gonna change if you do the same thing every single day? You can't. You gotta go out there. If you want your life to change, you gotta go out there. You gotta go apply for that job. You gotta ask that person out on a date. You could change something about your life every single day, even the most minuscule thing, and it'll add up. You can go on Amazon right now and purchase a hurdy-gurdy. Have that bitch delivered to your house, Amazon Prime, 2 fucking days, right? You could go on YouTube and you could learn how to play the hurdy-gurdy. And everyone that you meet after that day, you would be the only person that they know that plays the fucking hurdy-gurdy. How fucking cool would that be? You could learn to ride a unicycle. You could learn to cook a souffle. You could practice martial arts. You could kill a man. You could tear the flesh from his bones and cook him. Grind that bitch up into bolognese and pour that son of a bitch over noodles. And if you got depression, you got anxiety. It's hard. I know it's hard. I've been there. You have a self-image issue. You worry about what other people think, but fuck other people, right? And fuck depression. Beat the shit out of depression. Bend depression over a fucking desk and show it who the goddamn boss is. And next time you see another person, it doesn't matter who they are, they're judging you. If you see another person, you wrap your fucking hands around their throat and you choke them until they go limp. And when they lay down on the ground, you piss on them and you light that bitch on fire so nobody fucks with you ever again.